This is a special edition for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is all over the news right now. It is Thursday, September 14th, 2017. My name's D7. I'm the owner of GrokTrade.com. I'm also the owner of freeonlinetradingeducation.com. A lot of you guys have never seen any of my videos before. Welcome. My name's D7. As I said, I have been at this for 19 years. We're going to take a technical look at Bitcoin, and I'm going to tell you why technically it is not in trouble and why it's setting up for a big time buy opportunity. All right, let's look at the daily chart first. The daily chart on Bitcoin, and I'm looking here at the BTC USD, okay, Bitcoin US dollar. I'm using TradingView. TradingView. You can find me at D-7 SEVEN at TradingView. D-7 at TradingView. Now, here it is. First, on a daily chart, we've been going higher, higher, higher. You'll see my two trend lines going up and converging together. This is called a rising wedge. A rising wedge is bearish. It's a bearish charting formation. You'll see that I also have arrows here. These, for the people that watch me on a regular basis, these arrows are my calls that I make publicly, transparently for everybody. I say this on this day I put a buy and we went higher. This day put a sell, we went lower. This day put a buy. This day we put a sell. Why this day was so damaging was because, one, we had a rising wedge, but two, we had a MACD, which a MACD is a centered oscillator. A lot of people call them indicators. You can call it an indicator, but it's a centered oscillator. And we had a bearish divergence on the MACD. That, coupled along with a bearish rising wedge, spells disaster. This day, when I called September 8th, 2017, when we called a sell here, this was huge because we closed below this big time support level and we closed below the 20-day moving average. That's that blue line here. From there, the bears took control. So the question is, are we in trouble? The short term, yes. And let me explain this to you. If you look here, we have a shoulder, head, let's do it again, head, and shoulder. So this is called a head and shoulder trend reversal pattern. That's only relevant when the neckline gets pierced. The neckline are the two shoulder areas down here, the lower parts of the shoulders, when that gets pierced. That got pierced at the same time, the same day that the trend line got pierced. This day sealed its fate, okay? And now it's crashing down, crashing down, crashing down, and doing so on big volume. But things that go down quickly bounce quickly. Keep that in mind. Now, I want to take a look here at the weekly chart. The weekly chart tells the tale. Follow me here. We go up, 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 up. We pull back. Every bar here is a weekly. We go up, 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 up. We pull back. We go up, 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 up. We pull back. A couple things to note is look at the momentum. So we step from here to there. You can see how we step up, but look at the next step. We step here, here, and then boom, and look at this step. Boom, boom, boom. Big, big steps to the upside. Big steps. Anytime you have a big run, you need a good, healthy pullback, okay? So I'm going to be sharing a couple ideas with you here. A couple ideas. I like clean charts whenever possible. One, we had a swing high over here middle of June. So first part of June, this swing high coming across should be a major area of support, okay? That puts us at 29.55. That is a buy area, but let me add to that. Why is that a buy area? We also have the 20-week moving average coming up here, and that is intersecting in the exact same area. This would be a perfect buy area. I'd love to see us drop more. I want to see more downside here. I want to get to this 29.55 area. That is a great area to be looking for a buy opportunity. Furthermore, let me show you something else. If I take a trend line, take this trend line, I go from swing high to swing high. This can give us an indication where we can find support on this swing low. Watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to go here. I'm going to copy this. Actually, I'll clone it. So I've got one identical to this. What I'm going to do is take this line and I'm going to drop it on this swing low. Now, if I go to a line chart, you'll see that I'm right here on it. Do you see that? I'm going to raise that just a smidgen right there. Right on it here, right on it there. Okay. When we drop here, I could see us dropping below this area of natural support, getting down to this area. I'm telling you guys, once we come down, we could drop lower, but I see it rallying back. We could have a nice hammer here. This next week could be our buy opportunity. Next week could be our buy opportunity. So in other words, we're looking at the 18th through the 22nd of September is a buy opportunity. Let me show you something else. Let me show you something else. Again, this is a weekly chart. Go over here and I'm going to pull up. Oops, where am I at here? Let's get this straight. Now I'm pulling up the Fibonacci's. So I want to know a Fibonacci retracement. Pull this up here. So I'm going to go down, start it there, go to the high, end it right here. So there's your Fibonacci. We want a Fibonacci at 61.8 to close above that. So next week we need to close above. So next Friday. So in other words, that's the 22nd. By the 22nd, we need to have a close above 30.41. 30.41 to really feel good about this trade. Now, if you're highly seasoned, be looking for trades at this swing area at 29.55 or below. Look for reversal patterns on the daily chart. We could go quite a bit lower. I could see us getting down here near the 25.80 area. But it might spend very little time there, and you'll see this ratchet back quickly. Things that drop fast, bounce fast. But what I'm looking for here is a hammer to develop. See the 61.85 or 80, 61.8? So have a candlestick that drops here, but the body of it actually stays higher up here above 30.41. If that happens, that is a big time buy opportunity, a huge one. And that, my friends, is technical analysis at its best. I've been doing this 19 years. I own a thriving education company at groktrade.com. We mentor students. We help people down the path to successful trading. That's what we do very well. If you are already experienced in trading, those individuals, the ones we help the very most. If you're just getting started, we'll baby step you into the process of helping you. But here's what matters. What matters is Bitcoin is not lost. Even though it lost $27 million of value in just a matter of hours, days, it doesn't matter that it dropped 13% in one day. What matters is it pulling back to buy areas at major support levels based off of technical analysis. That is what matters. What also matters is that you take the time to share this with other individuals who trade Bitcoin or who wants to do so. My name's D7 of Grok Trade. Catch you later.